You will arrive at your destination. You've arrived.
Alright guys, we're on scene. Gonna be helicopter land.
Oh, there it is.
I know. Unlock. Alright, go. Oh my gosh, I'm getting sprayed with snow. Oh my gosh, dude. That was epic. Wow. Oh man. I got the money shot, dude. Oh wow. That was amazing. I believe this is going to be, Mail fell down 9 steps. I believe that's why that helicopter is here. It's not confirmed, however. Alright guys, went back to the car, grab my gloves. Oh man. Wow. This is insane. Oh man. Hold up. Wait a minute. But I don't know how, but helicopter is 7-minute ETA. We were 12-minute ETA, so I don't know how. But we got here as it was landing, so. Man, that was the money shot, baby. I had to hide behind a tree because the snow was being sprayed, man. That was insane. Yeah, hold on, guys. It's a little shaky. Having trouble getting the gloves on with one hand. And the gloves will not focus my camera yet. Alright guys, I had to get my ankle to focus my camera because my gloves will not work. Oh, there we go. Alright. Keeps on focusing. Yeah guys, search Stat Medevac on YouTube, and there's a really cool video on there about their helicopters and how they do. Okay, there we go. Now it's focused. I have no clue when they're going to take off, but it could be any minute, so. Hey, look, twinsies. Our dude over there has the same jacket as me. If you guys know me, you'll know I have my reflective jacket. Aw, that dude was nice. Center Command turned their lights off so my camera could focus better. Hey guys, I'll probably put a thing in the description to skip to like whatever to see helicopter take off. I don't know. Focus, keep the camera. Hey guys, I don't know if this helicopter is different, but it kind of looks different than the other ones. There we go, now it's focused. Also guys, if you're wondering, it's currently 11:03, Wednesday, on my Christmas break. Vehicle? Oh hey! Center PD decided to leave. Oh no, they're showing up. No! Turning around. That's cool. Symmetrically. Must got a call or something. About this Man, these gloves are awesome. They're very warm. Have you guys ever want to know where to get this glove, suit, medic bag, and all the other stuff? Just go. Might be a little difficult, but if you live around me or live near Harrisburg, it's perfect. Just go to Fire Expo in Harrisburg. Just like look it up, and you'll see they have it every year. Yeah, it's really nice. They have a lot of trucks here, a lot of merchandise you can buy. Also, there's one in Monroeville, but it's not as big or as good as this one. So, you could probably go to the Fire store also if you wanted some of this. I don't know if they'd have it for sure, but you could, look it up and see, I'm probably going to pause footage for a little bit. Okay, guys, I believe they're turning the engines off. Interesting. Guys, they were not turning off, they just turned one engine off. They're now bringing a victim into the back of the ambulance. Again, it is not confirmed, but I do believe that this is a male who fell down 9 stairs. Oh yeah, guys, also update on that, the missing person in Chippewa. They did find him. He had been in the cold. They followed his footprints, and he was found. He is now being treated for, I believe, hypothermia, or the news just said the cold at Heritage Valley Med Center. So. Alright guys, I believe they just started the other engine up, so they're probably going to be taking off my phones at 2%. So, cross your fingers that I'll get the shot. Oh, come on, any moment. Here we go. Yep, time to get behind my tree. Whoa, dude.